Good afternoon. I am Anton Hidalgo, reporting for Raptor News Network. The University of the Philippines Integrated School is set to finish the transfer of necessary equipment from the old campus along Katipunan Avenue to the new buildings inside the UP campus. Preparations for the move started June 2011. According to Principal Ronaldo San Jose, a committee was formed to implement transfer guidelines and oversee supply inventories. This week, various departments and offices in UPIS finalized the move, which is slated to end yesterday. Ayala Land Incorporated, who is now renting the old UPIS lot with their newly opened UP Town Center, lent a truck to aid the transfer. The truck, however, only arrived on Monday due to the daytime truck ban. The Town Center started its operation on September 30. The Department of Practical Arts held a small opening ceremony on October 14 to bless the UPIS buildings located at the old Nara Dormitory, beside Vinzon's Hall. The grand launch of the new UPIS is scheduled on December 7. Among the guests will be UP System and Diliman administrators, the College of Education faculty, donors, and sponsors. The university allocated 20 million for the completion of the acoustic system of the auditorium, gymnasium, roof, and the sinks of the science laboratories. These projects are still up for bidding as of this writing. This is Anton Hidalgo, now signing off.